हेलो। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अपहोल्स्ट्री फैब्रिक के बारे में। इससे पहले पार्ट वन में हम जान चुके हैं व्हाट इज़ अपहोल्स्ट्री एंड व्हाट आर द इनफैक्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन फीचर ऑफ अपहोल्स्ट्री, द टाइप्स ऑफ अपहोल्स्ट्री एंड टाइप्स ऑफ अपहोल्स्ट्री डिज़ाइन. So this today's video will be limited to only upholstery fabric. जब हम अपहोल्स्ट्री फैब्रिक की बात करते हैं तो ये बात हमें समझनी चाहिए कि एज कंपेयर टू अदर टेक्सटाइल यूजेस it undergoes a greater stress, and these fabric in fact are tightly fitted over furniture frame and cushion before they put to use. और कंज्यूमर एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि फैब्रिक विल नॉट फेड, इट विल नॉट स्ट्रेच आउट, and it will retain its shape and will remain comfortable for longer duration of time. And consumer also wish that the fabric should be easy to clean and even to maintain easy in an easy manner in spite of rigorous use of several hours of sitting each day. यहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें तो इट डिमांड्स ए ग्रेटर परफॉर्मेंस स्टैंडर्ड देन अदर टेक्सटाइल्स। और जैसा कि पहले भी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि सो दिस इज इन फैक्ट दिस स्लाइड शोज द कंज्यूमर एक्सपेक्टेशन. आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल दिस पॉइंट. Now, upholstery fabrics, in fact, as discussed earlier, can be used either in contract or for residential purpose. इसकी बात भी हम पहले वीडियोस में कर चुके हैं कि what is residential and what is contract upholstery. अब contract upholstery, just to remind you that it is used rigorously and for greater uses, specifically for commercial purposes in banks, airports, and so many other places where public the presence is more. And this contract upholstery demands higher performance standard than residential standard because of greater uses. तो यहाँ पर जो फैब्रिक यूज किए जाते हैं दे आर ऑफ टाइटर वीव एंड आल्सो हायर abrasion resistance should be there apart from flame resistance than residential. See, flame resistance is you can say is very much important because it may be the reason of fire, but residential fabric somehow we can ignore. It all depend upon the house owner, but for contract upholstery we cannot ignore it. So we can say that if we summarize what should be the properties in upholstery, this we need to understand. So first point is that it should have a higher abrasion resistance and higher tensile strength for durability. And now what are the factors in fact which are responsible for higher abrasion resistance and tensile strength? If we start from the fiber, it all depend upon the what kind of fiber type we are using. Yarn type are using yarn. The main parameter in yarn is a twist. If the twist is high, the wear resistance will increase. Similarly, thread density means yarn per inch. The kind of finish we are using, the fabric weight is how much. So this all will decide the abrasion resistance and the tensile strength. Now another thing which is important is the hand. Since hand refers related to the sense of touch, so whenever we are sitting on upholstery, so it should have some pleasant feeling. That is what this upholstery is purpose is all about. The feeling should not be harsh. Hmm. So harsh feeling in fact is undesirable. Another important parameter is fabric type. It should be consistent with the end use. End use mean, so one thing, if we compare with between woven fabric and knit fabric, the woven fabric provide more stability than knit fabric. It provide more abrasion resistance than knitted fabric. Now, color fastness is again very important, since these upholstery are in fact placed in the drawing room where the color where from where the light from the window can come. So light fastness, color fastness to light is important. Similarly, to crocking mean rubbing. Frosting means where snowfall is there, it must be having some fastness to frosting, and also fastness to environment pollutant like micro dust. They can also somehow degrade the colors with time. Another important aspect is that it must offer higher resistance to seam slippage and yarn distortion, because we want to maintain the longer life, and durability is one of the important aspect. And the fabric should also not pill or shed. And soil repellent finishes are applied, since it is not easy to clean frequently upholstery fabric. So special kind of finishes are used, which are stain repellent, soil repellent, and we have talked about flame resistance finishes are used to make it flame resistant fabric. And another important design parameter is that the fabric should not exhibit bow or skew it, and the stripe and the plain design, it must be true on grain. And for contract upholstery, porosity is very important for upholstery fabric, because for longer uses we want to be comfortable, and air permeability and the moisture penetration is very important to make the user comfortable. And for that we need to have a proper choice of fiber, means the fiber which is hydrophilic may be used. Construction, loose construction must be given for easy air and moisture transmission, and bulkiness would be there. Finish, see, glazing sometime blocks the air passage, which reduce the comfortness. So, and density of cushioning material is also very important, because if the cushioning material is very compact, it will not allow the air to pass through, ultimately making the user uncomfortable. And the fabric which are irregular in surfaces, they will offer a greater passes to air. And all these in fact points are demands to make the user more comfortable. And now if we talk about type of upholstery fabric, see, upholstery fabric basically decorated fabrics are used, and I have already uploaded a video on decorated fabric. You can go through that. And otherwise, these are the some of the common fibers which are used in upholstery fabric: wool, cotton, rayon, nylon, polyester, leather. And these if we go in detail that what these fibers offer, what kind of properties are suitable as far as upholstery fabrics are concerned, here it is all written that these are the fibers from where it is being taken, and these are the properties referring to wool, that it offers excellent hand, as I already told you, that it refers to the kind of a sense of touch, mean it should have a good feeling while touching. Similarly, high resiliency mean you can say elastic recovery, resiliency, and but the problem is that the wool fiber is attacked by the moth. So question of durability is in the woolen fabric, and the abrasion resistance is okay, but poor sunlight resistance it offers. As far as flammability is concerned, it burns slowly and self-extinguishes in flame, and but require dry cleaning. So not easy to maintain the wool upholstery fabric. Now, if we talk about cotton, we are getting it from natural plant fibers, and these are the property. You can work it out while reading it. The problem in okay, this is good as far as moisture absorbency is concerned. This is very good, comfortable fiber, and also resistant to moth, and also dye easily, but wrinkle is a problem. Uh, a lot of crease wrinkles happens in the cotton fabric, and the abrasion resistance is moderate, and it also offers some moderate sunlight resistance. But again, the problem in cotton fiber is it is extremely flammable unless treated. So there are flame retardant finishes we can use to make it flame resistant, but this is easy to clear. Now, similarly, if we talk about rayon, it is regenerated fibers made from wooden chips. It is inexpensive, good hand, but may shrink or stretch when wet. This is a problem. Dimension stability is not that good, we can say, and also abrasion resistance is very poor, and moderate sunlight resistance again this fabric is also resistance to moth and mildew, but extremely flammable again, just like cotton fabric unless treated with a flame retardant finish. It may also require dry cleaning. Now if we talk about nylon, now in fact it was produced in 1920. In fact it was discovered. It is again resilient fabric, excellent operation resistance, but poor sunlight resistance, and burns slowly with melting. And it is easy to care and maintain the nylon fabric. Now polyester fabric, again this is a synthetic fabric fiber you can say, and offers excellent resiliency, resistance to insect, mildew, offers good abrasion resistance, even good sunlight resistance, and also it burns slowly with melting, and it resists waterborne stain. It is good, I mean, easy to maintain, but the problem is that this fiber is not that comfortable if we compare it with the cotton or rayon. And again leather, as we know that these are the processed skin from animals. It offers excellent hand, durable, also varies in quality, requires special care in cleaning, and self-extinguish in flame. Now, one thing more, I just wanted to tell you that if we consider the cost of the upholstery fabric, if we use leather or a special kind of fabric, the 80% of furniture price may be accounted to textile item. Hmm? So, in fact, this leather upholstered fabrics are very much costly. So next is, so we can say that these are the things to consider while selecting upholstery fabric: the design, color, texture, performance. We have talked about basically performance and durability aspects of fabric in this video, and we have talked about the stripe and pleat must match. It should be easy to clean. So that's it for today.